Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos, as I upload my videos every Monday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every Monday and Friday. Okay guys, so my today's video, as from the title you must be knowing that it says look like Sara Ali Khan, dress like Sara Ali Khan. Yes, her dressing is really very simple, but then also some tips and tricks I'll show in this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, before showing you the style, I would like to tell you guys the best things which I loved about her and which I learned from her, and I would like to share, and I will be happy if you guys also take those things from her. Okay, so in one of her interview, someone asked her that why you always prefer wearing those white salwar and simple Indian clothes and not those stylish western clothes. What she replies is that this is what I wear and this is what she loves, and this is what she is wearing since a long time, so she won't change only because people won't. Okay, so what we learned is, number one, that we should always wear what we love. Number two, we can look fab in that Indian look also. We don't have to reveal our body more or wear those short clothes only to look good. Number three, wherever we go, whatever we become or whatever we do, we have to always be down to earth and always keep on doing things what we love. And style is nothing like you should wear this, you should wear that. Style is something you have to wear what you love and what makes you comfortable. Comfort zone is the first thing when you are looking for clothes. And in many of her pictures, I have seen that she goes for white and white with a printed dupatta. So I'll tell you some of the things. Before that, I will show you some of the looks which I have taken screenshot from Google. In this, she is wearing white pajama, white kurta and a printed boho style dupatta. And she is looking fab. And her hair is one-sided. Yes, I have seen in many of her pictures that she keeps her hair one side and middle partition or somewhat partition from the head, and nice boho chappals. That's all. She looks fab in this, and this is what she wears. So it is very simple. What you have to do is that just take a white pajama, white kurta and a printed cotton dupatta, which any color. In one of her picture she is wearing that white dupatta also, so it's looking good. So with white anything will go, and you can go with any dupatta, it will look amazing. So that's what her style is, and she loves white color. That's what I have heard in one of her interview. Okay, so I'll show you. Let's go. Okay, so what you have to wear is this pajama, loose pajama, and a tight fitted kurta and a nice printed dupatta, and that's all. And a curly wavy hair. I have straight hair, so I have little curled it, and that's all. And what she does is, where she is putting her dupatta, she don't put her hair, she puts her hair in the opposite direction. And in one of her pictures, she is even wearing big earrings. So if you want, you can go for big good earrings. And in one of her picture, she is wearing this white dupatta, which is very simple. But in this, when she is wearing white dupatta, she is wearing big long earrings. So with that, she is looking very beautiful. So you can see. This is for the people who love Indian clothes and are always bullied or some or the other thing. So you can just look forward to Sara Ali Khan. She is a star and she is wearing these clothes. So I am amazed. Like, this is amazing, right? So for the people who love Indian clothes, can wear. Don't hesitate. That's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. I hope you guys love my video. I am doing this styling thing for the first time, so if you like, then please give a big thumbs up, and if you want to see some more styles, such styles, then do let me know in the comment section. And that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And I come on every Monday and Friday, and some surprises maybe on Wednesday. Okay, that's all. Meet you in next video. Bye bye.